In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use third-party multilingual tools to create web pages in different languages and link them together. This process is crucial for reaching a global audience and enhancing user experience by offering content in their native tongues. Whether you're managing a website for a business, a blog, or any other type of online presence, having multilingual support can significantly broaden your reach. First, let's talk about the basics of using third-party multilingual tools. These are designed to help you effortlessly translate and manage different language versions of your website. They are easy to integrate and often come with features that streamline the translation process. When choosing a tool, look for one that supports your preferred languages and is compatible with your website's platform. Popular options include plugins or services that seamlessly gel with your existing website structure. Make sure the tool you pick offers automatic updates and provides ongoing support for any technical issues that might arise. Once you've selected the right tool for your needs, your next step is to create web pages for each language you want to support. It's important to localize not just the text, but also consider cultural nuances and context. Begin by accessing the tool's interface, usually found within your website's admin panel, and select the option to create a new language page. You'll often start by duplicating existing pages and then translating the content. The tool should offer easy navigation between languages, allowing you to switch back and forth as you work. Here, attention to detail is paramount. Review each translation for accuracy and make adjustments to layout or design, ensuring everything appears as intended for every language version. Finally, you'll need to link these pages together to ensure a coherent user experience. Linking language pages allows visitors to easily switch between languages, often using a language switcher in your website's header or footer. This involves setting up navigational elements that clearly display all available language options. Check your multilingual tool for features that automatically link pages, or you might need to toggle some settings manually to establish these connections. This process not only improves usability, but also helps search engines index your multilingual content more efficiently. Remember, a multilingual website is an ongoing project. Regularly update all language versions as you add new content. Use analytics to monitor how users interact with different language pages and adjust your strategy accordingly. Make sure your translated pages load quickly, maintaining the same performance standards as your primary language site. By following these steps, you can effectively enhance